Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Advanced Learning Center. Disclaimer of my video. Please go through the disclaimer. Today we are going to discuss about the control system ET509. It is also a fifth semester subject of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of State Council of Technical Education Syllabus Assam. Myself Tashar Ali Sheikh. The contents of today's videos is of control system part A, solution of question number 1, solution of question number 2 and 3. So this is the question paper. It was came in 2019, 5th semester, new syllabus subject, control system. Full marks is 70. There are two part A and part 2. In part A, 24 marks, 25 marks. In part B, 45 marks. So in the part A, 3 questions, fill in the blanks. 10 questions are there, 1 question, 1 marks. So each and questions will be discussed in later. Next question number 2 is true or false, 10 questions, 10 marks. So this question one by one will be discussed in our later slide. Question number 3, choose the correct answer. Here 5 questions are there. So this is the 25 marks in section A, and this in section B there are 45 marks. Anyway, 3 questions. Answer any 3 questions. Okay, there each questions has 15 marks. 5. What is control system? Find the FT if Fs is this one, and find the inverse Laplace transform of this one. What is feedback system? Determine the characteristics equations. This equations is given. Find the inverse Laplace transform of equation this one. Explain the effect of feedback for transfer function in this one. Find the transfer function at s equal to 2 and plot poles and zeros in S plane. Next is determine the C by R ratio using the block diagram reduction method, and how feedback control systems are classified. Define open loop and closed loop center with block diagram. Draw and explain the response of a first order system subject to the unit step functions. Examine the stability using the routes method, and find the transfer functions of this network. So these are the questions. So next we will be give the solution of question number 1, fill in the blanks. So see the first question, fill in the blanks. Closed loop system is dash accurate than open loop system. So here closed loop system is dash accurate than open loop system. So closed loop systems are more accurate than the open loop systems. Okay, so but less stable. Closed loop system are more accurate but less stable. With the feedback system, transient response is decays rapidly. Okay, with transient response, with the feedback system, the transient response is decays rapidly. A position control system is closed loop control system. Position control system is also called as a closed loop control system. So whose output is desired angular position of the DC motors. Okay, the output of this control position is desired angular position. Next question is Laplace transform of E sin t. So Laplace transform of e to the power minus alpha t sin t. So sin means omega s square plus omega. Here a is minus, so here a will be plus. So s in place of s will be, it will be s plus a whole square plus omega square. So a dash time constant corresponding to a fast response. A small time constant corresponding to a fast response. A feedback signal improve the performance of automatic control system. So a negative feedback signal improve the performance of the automatic control system. The difference between the actual value and ideal values is known as error, or sometimes it is between actual values and ideal values. So the standard signal used for comparison in closed loop control system is called a reference. Okay, the standard signal that is used for comparison in closed loop control system is called a reference. A signal other than the reference which affect the performance of the system is called disturbance. Okay? So other than the reference signals which affect the performance of the system is called the disturbance. For an overdamped system, damping factor is more than unity. Okay, if the dam is overdamped, that means gamma values is greater than 1. Overdamped, that means the damping factor gamma will be more than unity. Okay, solution of question number 2, right, true or false. A system may have large number of subsystems. This statement is true. Yes, this system has, if you have remember the block diagrams or signal program, there are more number of subsystems is also there. So this statement is true. In open loop control systems, control action depends upon the desired output. So this is also true, that in open loop control system the control action depend upon the desired output. Next is, in a closed loop control system, feedback signal is usually negative. Okay, so this is also true because closed loop system feedback signal is usually negative. So feedback may be positive or negative, but if we usually use negative because it improves the performance of the system. Linear systems obeys the superpositions theorem, so this statement is also true. The transfer function of a control system depends on initial condition of input and output. This statement is false. The body float and Nyquist float have some relations. Yes, it is correct, true answer. So there are some formula relations is there. So that's why it is, this statement is true. Use of derivative controller result in improve the transient response. Yes, this statement is also true. Using the derivative controller which improve the transient response. Next is, Raut's criteria suggested the way to improve the system stability. This statement is false. It exactly not improve the stability. Open loop control system stability cannot be ensured. This statement is false. Okay. So open loop control systems stability cannot be ensured because it may be vary. So it is not sure. So the transfer function of s plus 3 is positive, real. This statement is true. So if fs is this one, s plus a divided by s square plus bs plus c, then the conditions to be positive real function is a comma b comma c. That means a value, b and c value must be greater than equal to 0 and b greater than equal to 1. So if we compare the value, here a equal to 3, b equal to also 3 and c equal to 5. Okay, so here a b, this will be greater than equal. So this state, both the statements are true. So this is positive real. So that's why it is true. Next question is, choose the correct answer. Most commonly used input signal in control systems are step functions. The automatic washing machine is a open loop control systems. Laplace transform of unit step function is 1 by s. The Laplace transform of unit impulse function is 1. So the transfer function of the control system is defined as the ratio of input and output Fourier transform, Laplace transform. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe these videos and press the bell icon to get notification whenever new videos are coming.